A Python program to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius can be done in 4 quick steps. First, take in the Fahrenheit temperature using the input function and converting the input to a float. Next, you do the conversion calculation, which is 5/9 times the Fahrenheit temperature minus 32. If you're wondering, that single division bar is the correct way to do floating point division in Python. If you put 2 division bars between the 5 and the 9, then you would do integer division, and every temperature would come out as 0 because integer division would round the result of 5/9 down to 0. Next, you round the Celsius temperature to 2 decimal places using the round function. Without doing this, you can't be sure of the number of decimal places that Python will print out on its own. Finally, you print out the Celsius temperature. I use an F string here to make it incredibly simple to just insert the Celsius temperature into the printout string. If you want to dive deeper into F strings, you can click into the video on screen now or in the link in the description.